Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you get notified. So basically, we're going to be looking out the best cash app side also that you can actually do to make money and use the money to venture into your YouTube journey, and then you can also be able to get your YouTube equipment tools. So which of course might actually cost up to $800. So and there is $0 outside investment needed, so you don't need any amount. And these are five core side hustle methods you can use through Cash App, and it's gonna cost you within 12 to 16 weeks in order to get this money, right? So you can do this on the side because it's actually a side also. So, right, so let's get into it. So this is five core cash app side also and how they works. So the first one is referral loop engine. So recruit new Cash App user via your link. So Cash App actually pay when you refer someone uh to sign up on Cash App. So you share your referral links, both parties earn a bonus when referral user send their first $5 on the app. So you can see estimated potential earnings within $5 to $15 per referral. So this is quite very easy to start. So time invested is within 1 to 2 hours in a week. So you can see it's very simple. So the pro tip is to promote via existing social content, YouTube community posts, or Discord server. Target people new to mobile payment app, right? So you can just tell them that the best app to do their to buy groceries, to buy something that you know that okay, this is exactly what you yourself also use Cash App to do. So this way, they are going to use your link because they might actually be experiencing or looking for a payment platform to do the same thing that you are actually doing. So from one call side also to the other, they are going to help each other. So let's check on the second one. So the second one is transactional bonus stacking, right? So this actually trigger bonus events with timed activities. So this is how it works. You use Cash App for everyday purchases, groceries, gas, subscription, activate cash boost before spending to earn some percentage back on every 10 cents you actually spend, right? So this is the earning potential for this particular transactional bonus target. So you earn up to from $5 to $40 per month in boost, and this is actually moderate because it's based on what you're actually buying that you are going to be getting some pay from that. So the time investment is within 15 to 30 minutes per day. So that will depend on what you are actually buying, right? So rotate boost strategically. Check for limited time offers. Start with paying for shared bills to maximize spend limit, right? So you can also help some people to also pay for their groceries because you know that you are going to earn um some boost at the end of the day. All right. So the next one we have here is Cash App plus Survey and Micro Task platform, right? So Cash Out Micro Task earning directly to Cash Out. So you can use platform like Swagbox, Prolific, TaskRabbit, Fiverr, Amazon Mechanic Talk, I think so, right? So tax type is survey and feedback. You see gigs and freelance. You see data and task. So cash cash out payout. So we can pay payment is could be via PayPal, then from PayPal to Cash App, or via bank transfer or via bank transfer. So for this Fiverr right here, you can also get paid to your PayPal and from your PayPal to your Cash App account. So this is quite very simple. So average hourly rate is between $3 to $7 per hour, $10 to $30 per hour, or $4 to $8 per hour. It all depends. So it all depends on the kind of service you're actually rendering, right? So yeah, you can actually make money from this. I've done this quite a lot of time, most especially on Fiverr. So I know for sure that it's actually possible to make money from this. So the next one we have right here is Cash App investing. So most likely on the dividend reinvestment. Grow a micro portfolio with $1 increment. So how it works, you invest spare change, like $1 minimum into stocks or ETF fair cash app investing. Enable auto invest and reinvest dividends. So earning potential is within 4 to 10% average annual return. So the risk level is medium. So buy dividend ETF, e.g., uh, reinvest or cash out annually for gear. So that this is basically for a long time period, right? Not regular returns, but use as a long-term gear fund supplement, not primary income. So you can see that. So it's a long-time investment. So the next one we have right here is to sell digital product, right? So service, pay, fair, cash out. So accept payment for content, templates, coaching. So you can see the product type where you can actually render the service. It's based on your YouTube channel audit or feedback. You can offer the service, Notion and finance template, one-on-one coaching call, then preset packs, and overlay. So you can sell CapCut presets. So there are lots you can actually also do much more research about this. So you can see the price range from $10 to $15 to $5 to $25, $25 to $100 based on what you're actually teaching them, and $5 to $20. So the time to create is within 30 to 60 minutes per client, 2 to 4 hours per client, 1 hour per session, and then we have 3 to 6 hours one time, and then you can keep selling. So yes, ongoing, yes, passive, yes, scalable, and yes, passive, right? So you can scale it from $20 to $50 depending on how you're actually getting clients or customers that are patronizing you, right? So now going down to um, YouTube Starter Studio Gear targeting target and funding progress, right? So for the microphone, you can get a microphone from 50 to $120. So this will be your first week, or within 2 to 3 weeks, you can actually hustle this money out. The ring lights and key lights, so within $30 to $80, within you can actually hustle for this within 1 to 2 weeks from the hustle you're doing. So for webcam and camera, you can spend 80 to $200. So this will take you within 2 to 5 weeks also. Then you have a backdrop and green screen. So this will cost within $20 to $60. This is just for 1 week also, right? So we have capture card as well. So they're more of like memory card, something like that. And then you can see 50 to $130, 2 to 3 weeks. And we have SD card plus storage as well. So this is just 1 week also. Then scrolling down, you have estimated week to fund each item at $40 per week combined also, right? So combining the also all together. So this is what we have from microphone, which is going to cost you $85 average. Then ring lights, $55 average. Camera or webcam, $140 average. Then backdrop light, $40 average. Captured card, $90 average. Then full studio funded within $410 to $630 within 12 to 16 weeks, right? So we also have the week to week funding roadmap, which is quite very important for you to check in. So week 1 to 2, launch your referral loop. Week 3 to 4, activate boost stacking. Then week 5 to 8, launch digital product, which is very important. Then week 9 to 12, scale and stack all methods. Then week 13 to 16, full studio achieved. So if you check on this channel description too, you'll see we have some digital product as well that we already recorded. So just or some ebooks. So all we just have to do, just when we get customer, they buy and we have the money. So it's just one time recording and we keep making money from it, right? You can also check some other videos on the channel that we actually try to promote a digital product or something like that that we are going to earn a commission from it. So that's that. Then we have the key strategy, the do's and don'ts. So what to do, you see, dedicate a separate cash app account wallet label for this for the gear fund. So you won't spend it alongside with another thing. Rotate cash boost weekly to maximize categories. So document every dollar earned. Create authentic YouTube content. Start with the cheapest gear first to get on camera sooner, right? So avoid this. Spending also earnings on non-gear items defeat the fund, right? So relying on investing alone. So too slow for near-term uh, gear goals. So spamming referral links without providing value ruins trust. Then buying premium gear before testing your content formats is also a very, very bad idea, right? So you can see the content angle, alignment, how this video connects. You can see all this one right here, and your key takeaway right there is very, very important. So if you appreciate this video, kindly let us know in the comment section and subscribe and like this video so that YouTube can also recommend it for other people who are looking for a side also in other way to fund their YouTube journey, because these are the things that are actually limiting some people to start YouTube. So I believe this video will definitely help you one way or the other to get your YouTube channel start right now. So not tomorrow, not next week, not next month, not next year. So start today and then you see how you grow. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.